Are you tired of missing out on your friends' birthdays on Facebook? Well, we have just the solution for you. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of receiving notifications by email for birthdays on Facebook, right from your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the notification icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the notifications menu. Step 3. Next, click on the 3 dots to access additional options. Step 4. Click on Notification Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 5. In the Notification Settings page, click on Birthdays to open the birthday notification settings. Step 6. Toggle on the switch next to Email. Make sure you also toggle on the switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook under These are notifications about your friends' birthdays first. And there you have it. You've successfully set up email notifications for birthdays on Facebook. Never miss another birthday celebration again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Receive notifications by email for birthdays on Facebook right from your PC.